My name's John Mongard. I'm an urban designer from Brisbane. My definition about placemaking is the distinction between really making spaces as opposed to places. It really involves how people inhabit a place, and we need to consider that as part of the design and planning process.
My name is Tara. I was one of the students chosen to do the co-design workshop at Ellen Grove for 2018. Ellen Grove was selected within the Brisbane local government area for improvements to the built environment around the community neighbourhood centre. The co-design workshop involved a number of participants, including the students and staff of the Urban Design Studio at the University of Queensland, the urban designer John Mongard, and the community members of Ellen Grove. The co-design workshop involved a discussion activity where the active community members were asked the following questions. Question 1. If there was one thing that we could do in the centre, what would it be? Question 2. What things would you like to have or really need that are not in the centre? Question 3. If you thought big, say in 10 years, what do you imagine the centre could be like? And question 4. What other ideas do you have to make this place great? These discussion questions allowed the community members of Ellen Grove to voice their valuable opinions and thoughts about the built environment. The co-design workshop was a very valuable experience for me and the other students of the Urban Design Studio. This opportunity enlightened my fellow students and myself the importance of community engagement and the impact urban designers can have on a community. The needs of the people within Ellen Grove and any other suburb is unique to that community, which shows how important community engagement is in this process. For this project, we received high involvement from the community, which we appreciated as planning students. Although the workshop was held to gather thoughts on the community neighbourhood centre, the participants took the opportunity to also discuss other improvements that could be made around the region, including improvements to transport infrastructure such as the Centenary Highway underpass, transit services and accessibility. The Ellen Grove community made the most of this opportunity to voice their valuable opinions and thoughts about improvements for their built environment and specifically what they would like to be implemented at the neighbourhood centre.